Good morning students. In this video we will do 4th chapter of class 6th maths basic geometrical ideas, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about point, line, line segment and ray. What is point? A point is a mark of position. Like I have put a point here, so this is marking this position. You can put a point here. You can mark anywhere. That is a point. Next is line. A line can be extended on both the sides endlessly. It can go either way. So we cannot keep a complete line on your copy page. Next is line segment. Line segment is a straight line that has beginning and an end. It has a starting and a end point. Like from this A to B, we have a starting and end point. This is line segment. Next is ray. Ray has one starting point. It is starting from a fixed point and it can move towards one direction endlessly. It just has one starting point, just like rays of sun coming. Starting point is fixed and they can go anywhere in any direction. Now we'll start with exercise 4.1. In question number 1, we are going to find out 5 points, a line, 4 rays and 5 line segments on this figure. Our A part is 5 points. Now just look at the figure. We have these 5 points D, E, O, B and C. So this is our answer. Next is a line. For line we can take any points which are going on this straight line. That can be DE, EB. You can write any of the points, but they should be on this line. We cannot write OC because it has one fixed point starting point, that is O. Now we will write 4 rays. Rays, we know that they have a fixed point, and in this figure only O is the fixed point. So all the rays are OB, OC, OE and OD. All are starting at point O. Now we have 5 line segments. Line segments, again part of line with 2 fixed points. We can write any of them. They are DE, EO, OB and DB. Now question number 2 is, name the line given in all possible 12 ways. We will look at this figure which is already given in the book. It has 4 marks A, B, C and D. Now we are going to write the answers in all given ways. These are all the possible answers. Look at the answers carefully. With each alphabet there are 3 answers. Here it is AB, AC and AD. Then BC, BD and BA. Then CD, CA and CB. Next is DA, DB and DC. Now in question number 3, look at this figure and our A part is line containing point E. When you look here, we can see E is on AE or BE or DE and E is also on FE. So we have to write 2 lines, AE and FE. Now line passing through A. Through A We can see AB is passing, AD is passing, and AE is passing. You can write any of the lines. We are writing AD. Now line on which O lies. Here is O and it lies on line CO. Line CO. We have to write two pairs of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the lines which cross each other. So here we can see AE and CO. These are intersecting lines. And AE and FE. These are intersecting lines. So we will write here AE and CO, one pair, and another one is FE and AE. These are intersecting lines. Our question number 4 is, how many lines can pass through any given point or any two given points? So if we have one given point, let it be here, just see how many lines are passing through it. There are a number of lines. So our answer is infinity. Now we have two given points. Take any 2 points and just try to make a line between them. Can we draw any other line between them? No, it is not possible. So only one line can be drawn if two given points are there. In question number 5, we have to draw a figure as given. A part is point P lies on AB. So we have drawn AB, this is a line, and point P lies on it. You make anywhere a point and mark it as P. This is your answer. B part is XY and PQ intersect at M. So we have drawn two lines XY and PQ, and their intersection point is where they are meeting. Just mark M there. C part is line L contains E and F. So this is our line. This is line L, and E and F are on the line but not D. D is a point but that is not on the line. So anywhere either above the line or under the line, you mark a point and make it D. Next part is OP and OQ meet at O. We just make two lines and their meeting point is O. So this is OP and this is OQ. Right? OP and OQ, they are meeting at O. In question number 6, we have a given line with points Q, M, O, N and P on it. This is the question of true and false. On your screens you have your A part, that is Q, M, O, N and P are points on the line MN. MN is line and these all are points on them. So this is true. A part is true as line that can extend to any further point. Your B part is MON are points on a line segment MN. MON are on line segment MN. Line segment means from this portion to this portion. So this is also true. M lies between M and N. B part is also true. Now C part. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. If line segment is MN, these are the endpoints. So this is also true. Now D part. D is O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. OP is the segment, and in our statement it is given O and N are the endpoints, but N is not the endpoint. So this is false. Now E part. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. Line segment is from Q to O, and here it is written that M is the endpoint. So this is also false. Now F part. F part is M is point on ray OP. Ray is OP. We know ray, when it is a ray, we have just one starting point. So ray OP is starting from O. And in the given statement, M is a point on this ray. So this is also false. Now we come to G part. Ray OP is different from ray QP. This is OP and this is QP. So these two are different. So G part is true. Now H part is ray OP is same as ray OM. This is OP and this is OM. These are two different rays. So the given statement is false. I part is ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OM is going on this side and OP is on this side. These two are opposite rays, but here it is said that these are not opposite, so it is false. Now J part. O is not an initial point of OP. OP is the ray and this is starting from here, from point O. So this is initial point. So the given statement is false. Now come to K part. N is the initial point of NP and NM. N is the initial point of NP and NM. This is true. With this, we finish our exercise 4.1. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.